Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change the language on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Netflix app. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the profile option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the profile option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, click on the account option. After you click on the account option, you'll be guided to another page on your browser. Now on this page, scroll down and find the profile you want to change the language in. After you find the profile you want to change the language in, click on this arrow. Once you click on that arrow, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, find the language option and click on the change button. After you click on the change button, a list of languages will appear on your screen. Now for you to change the language, you'll have to click on one of the languages and then scroll down and click on this save button. After you click on the save button, the language on Netflix will be changed. As you can see on my screen, all the text is now on Spanish. I hope this video helped you to change your language on Netflix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.